Springy? No, he's great.
Howdy! Round face. I like that bot. Just learned so many great fun facts about them. Are you willing to sell me like this for promotional purposes? We got King's a new mascot.
Anything for you, Springy.
Thank you. Keep on springing!
You okay, bud?
I thought I saw. She would have hated this.
Huh? Not like we can do anything about it now.
You can
Kill yourself.
What? Suitcase?
Pickles!
What are you doing? And that's always been my problem. It's always been balloon. And I'm done with it.
Fuck you!
electric fence room. Beware of the door zappy zapper.
We are almost at the end! It's time for our We-Day victory! No rules, no one can stop the chaotic might of Yang and his trusty steed!
Let's start by throwing some roundabouts. How's that one over there?
I don't know if it's evil enough. I thought you said you threw that away!
When Hanzo went home, it was a secret she took family with me, and I'd be long gone. I will never let anyone stand in the way of everything she's given me with her sacrifice. I don't know what you are, but your little interruption could have ruined everything. With his chaos back, his alliance will self-destruct, and I'll finally be...
The most wonderful you. I've already found others who'll understand me, who will listen, who aren't just copies. I am Bot, the one and only! Yippee!
You can't! Me phone! Our sponsorship here terminates if this contract isn't complete! Oh, think about the improvements we can make to your cast! It'll be great!
Springy, we're not your toys.
Fuck you!
Springtastic will not stand for this!
And try not to fall!
You're going to regret that! I'll just spring right back up to the top!
I wouldn't be too sure about that.
Huh? No!
Your sponsorship.
Whatever. I don't like how they treated you. And Cabby.